Step into the Ram 2018 3500 Laramie. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: keyless geo included, remote proximity keyless entry, clearance lamps, quick order package 2FH Laramie included, engine 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel transmission, 6-speed automatic 68 RFE front armrest with cup holders, dual rear wheels included, tires LT 235/80R17 EBS WAS wheels, 17 inches x 6.0 polished aluminum dual rear wheel fender flare tracking clearance lamps tire pressure monitoring delete 17 steel spare wheel 6,000-pound front axle with hub extension box and rear fender clearance lamps, radio, Uconnect 4C nav with 8.4 display included, Sirius XM Travel Link 5-year Sirius XM Travel Link service 5-year Sirius XM Traffic service 1-year Sirius XM Guardian Tri